Have you ever thought about what would happen if you ate a fried egg every single day? Not scrambled, not boiled, not poached with a sprig of parsley and a dietitian standing nearby. No, we're talking about that golden, crispy-edged, sunny-side-up fried egg. The kind that pops and sizzles in the pan, staring up at you like a delicious, greasy eyeball. For many people, it's the ultimate breakfast ritual. But is it also a daily health gamble? Let's crack this one open and take a good long look at what happens when fried eggs become your daily best friend. Let's start with the pros, because hey, fried eggs aren't just tasty, they're nutrient-packed little miracles. Each egg is a self-contained multivitamin with protein, healthy fats, and crucial nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin B12, selenium, and choline. That last one, it's essential for brain function and memory. So if you remember to eat your egg every day, maybe it's the egg helping you remember in the first place. Then there's lutein and zeaxanthin, two compounds that sound like Marvel villains, but are actually antioxidants that protect your eyes from damage. They're found in the yolk, the bright golden center of the egg universe. So yes, eating eggs can literally help you see better. The irony? Most people eat their eggs while squinting at their phones. And let's not forget the power of protein. One medium egg gives you about 6 grams of high-quality protein that your body can actually use. It's not just about muscle building either. Protein helps you feel full, repairs tissue, balances hormones, and makes sure you don't eat a donut 10 minutes later because your cereal betrayed you. So with all that goodness packed into a little white oval, what could possibly go wrong? Let's talk about fat. Fried eggs, unlike their boiled or poached cousins, require oil or butter to cook, and not everyone is using a dainty spritz of avocado oil. Some people go full grease wizard, pouring in tablespoons of vegetable oil or scooping in enough butter to make a croissant jealous. That's where things get a little slippery, literally and nutritionally. When you cook eggs in a ton of oil or butter, you're adding saturated fat to your meal. And while 1 or 2 fried eggs in healthy oil isn't going to kill you, the story changes if you're frying them in bacon grease and serving them with toast, sausages, and a guilt-riddled latte. Suddenly, you've built a cholesterol bomb before 9 a.m. Speaking of cholesterol, yes, eggs do contain it, about 180 to 200 milligrams per yolk. In the past, this was treated like nutritional TNT, but newer studies suggest that for most people, dietary cholesterol doesn't impact blood cholesterol as much as previously thought. The real culprits seem to be saturated fat, sugar, and inactivity. Translation: the egg isn't the problem, how you eat it is. Now let's add context. If you're eating a fried egg with a side of vegetables, whole grain toast, and a balanced lunch and dinner, you're probably fine. But if your diet is all fried everything and your idea of exercise is lifting the remote, then even a beautiful sunny side up can be part of a larger health problem. Let's also address the elephant in the skillet. What happens when you eat fried eggs every day for years? You might not notice anything at first. Your body's resilient. You feel full, you feel happy. You're getting that protein, those vitamins. But over time, if your frying methods are heavy on oil and you're pairing your eggs with high-sodium, high-fat foods, the slow creep of health issues may begin. Rising LDL cholesterol, creep in blood pressure, increased waistline. And unlike a fried egg, these problems don't come sunny side up. But don't panic just yet. There's a lot of nuance. Studies show that eating up to 1 egg per day is safe for most healthy individuals. Some even suggest moderate egg consumption may lower risk of stroke. The keyword, moderate, not, I've eaten 6 fried eggs a day since the pandemic started and now I sweat yolk. The way you fry matters too. Non-stick pans, small amounts of olive oil, or air frying can reduce your fat intake dramatically. Some people even water fry their eggs. Yes, that's a thing. It sounds suspicious, but hey, if it works, it works. Let's not forget culture and comfort. Fried eggs are part of many global cuisines, from Thai rice dishes, Jew American breakfasts, to the top of a bibimbap bowl in Korea. They're everywhere. Food isn't just nutrition, it's nostalgia, routine, and joy. And no, you don't have to give up all of that to be healthy, but you might have to tweak it a little bit. Now, here's a surprising twist. Eating fried eggs every day could actually help some people lose weight. Wait, what? Yep, protein-rich breakfasts are proven to curb appetite, balance blood sugar, then reduce late-night snack attacks. If you're swapping sugary cereal or pastries for eggs, you might be doing your body a favor. But, and there's always a but, if your egg is swimming in oil and partnered with processed meats, you're defeating the purpose. What about eggs and heart disease? This one is still debated. Most large studies show no increased risk of heart disease from moderate egg consumption. In fact, some show protective benefits. But individuals with type 2 diabetes or certain genetic cholesterol conditions may need to be more cautious. Bottom line, if you have medical concerns, talk to your doctor before turning your breakfast into an experiment. Now, let's bring it back to you. You wake up, you fry your egg, you dip your toast in the yolk like a 5-star food critic. You love this egg, it loves you back, but you want to be smart about it. Here's your cheat sheet for daily fried egg success. 1. Use healthy oils like olive or avocado. Ditch the butter blocks. 2. Keep the portion reasonable, 1 or 2 eggs per day. 3. Balance your plate, add greens, tomatoes, or whole grains. 4. Watch the add-ons, skip the bacon, tone down the toast. And 5. Get moving. Eggs love a body that uses their energy. And finally, listen to your body. If you feel great, your numbers are good, and your cooking style is light and smart, then your daily egg isn't your enemy. It's your breakfast buddy. So, are you ready to make peace with your fried egg? Or are you secretly planning to break up and switch to oatmeal? Either way, now you know the facts. Whether you're yolk-obsessed or just health-curious, you've got the info to make the best choice for your plate and your heart. If this cracked your curiosity wide open, give it a like, share it with your fellow egg fans, and subscribe to Wiseuse for more no-nonsense knowledge served hot and fresh every day.